Hi, I'm Abby McCarthy of REIT, and we are here at REIT World 2010. I'm seated with Kent Griffin, who is the President and Chief Operating Officer of BioMed Realty Trust. And Kent, BioMed focuses on the space needs of the life science industry. How do you see fundamentals shaping up for 2011?
Well, we feel very fortunate. Fundamentals have been shaping up pretty well for 2010 and now heading into 2011. And from our industry, that really relates to the capital transaction activity for our tenants. And our tenants have had a lot of success raising capital. 2009 was one of the best years ever, and 2010 is on track to actually beat 2009. So we're expecting positive net absorption across the industry and in our space in particular.
Okay, and given the technological advances and changing needs of your tenants, how do you stay on top of the needs of the customers?
Our tenants really do, life science tenants really do appreciate having properties that are owned and operated by someone with the expertise and experience in this sector, and it really differentiates us from the competition. We manage and asset manage and property manage all of our own properties. We actually have our own dedicated engineering staff who have the technical expertise to understand the unique needs that our tenants have in operating life science space.
BioMed has remained active in pursuing acquisitions. Is that the company's focus for growth, acquiring targeted assets?
Well, I think we really have had an extraordinary year of new investments in 2010, increase our asset base by roughly 20%. But our growth strategy really starts with the existing assets that we own and the existing leases that we have. We have contractual rent bumps, which are the primary driver for increasing cash flow. We also do have a long-term view that rent growth in our markets will continue to move forward in a positive way, and so we expect that to be the primary driver for cash flow growth. We do have the opportunity for additional lease-up in our portfolio, and we're expecting that roughly 450 basis points of positive net absorption in 2011. And then behind that, we do expect to have new investments, whether from acquisitions or developments, to continue to support our growth.
And prior to joining BioMed, you spent several years in the investment banking side of the business. How has that experience helped you in your role at BioMed?
All professionals draw from their prior experiences and whatever they're doing. And I had some background in accounting and in investment banking, which I think collectively provided a fairly healthy foundation from a financial perspective. I think what I liked most about those opportunities was the ability to see a lot of different companies, a lot of different strategies, and a lot of different ways in which people are operated. And I think I've tried to learn from the people I've had the good fortune to work with.
Great. Well, Kent, thank you for your time. This is Abby McCarthy from REIT World 2010 and for REIT.com.